Welcome to Get the Facts, the program that provides you with the information on government's policies and initiatives. I'm your host, Adrian Atkinson. Today we will be talking about a new gaming management information system that's to be installed at the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, BGLC. The entity's project manager, Mr. Dwayne Walters, will be telling us all we need to know about this development. Mr. Walters, welcome to the program and thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Now, the BGLC is poised to implement a new gaming management information system, and this particular system will transform how it provides services to its customers. Tell us why now?
Well, as an entity or regulator, we are constantly looking at ways to improve our service delivery, and by introducing the gaming management information system, this will position the entity in providing efficient and transparent services to our stakeholders.
Mm-hmm. And having said that, what is the timeline we're looking at in terms of implementation?
Good question. So currently we are targeting to have a soft launch before the end of this year, and then shortly after we have our official launch of the system. And I said the soft launch because we are expected to have limited public access to our customer portal to work out some of the kinks and fine-tune the system some more before having it generally available to the larger public.
Let's talk a little bit about the impact this will have on BGLC as well as its customers.
All right. Good question. So the impact this will have on the BGLC, it will translate into greater efficiencies and improvement in our workflows. For the customers, it will translate to a shorter turnaround time for processing their licenses, application and renewals. And of course, that allow accessibility remotely. No one need to visit the office physically to apply or apply for the applications or make the renewals. Mm-hmm. So again, efficiencies, time savings for both the customers and our internal stakeholders.
So you used a particular word, remotely. This is one of the benefits because it can be accessed remotely online. So let's talk a little bit more about the other benefits that are available to the customers.
All right. So as you rightfully say, having it available online is a huge benefit, but I need to add to that online benefit. Apart from just applying for the applications and the renewals, the customers will have the ability to track the applications in real time. Mm-hmm. Yeah. They also have the ability, not only the customers, but the general public, to lodge any complaints of any illegal activities. So those are some of the benefits that we envision this system will usher in.
Yes. So we spoke about the whole issue of this platform giving customers the ease to perhaps be licensed or licensed, as well as applying for those licenses and the issuance of those licenses. Integrity comes into play in terms of license validation and, user-friendly public reporting portal. Talk to us about how does it really work?
All right. So, good question. The vision for the system is to have the general public having access to a QR code within the establishments. Mm-hmm. From that, the customer or the public can scan these QR codes and it will tell right there and then in real time if this establishment is a licensed establishment or if the machines, the gaming machines, are indeed legitimate machines. The portal also offers the opportunity to log complaints either by providing full detail or log the complaints anonymously.
Mm-hmm. And if I may put this in a little bit here, but anonymous complaints, how do I assure myself that providing the BGLC with this information, I remain anonymous?
All right, so that's an excellent question.
Yes.
Firstly, the portal, once it is launched, there is no requirement to provide your full detail. What is of importance, though, is the substance of the information being reported based on the activity that was observed.
All right. Well, we're going to take a break. Let's take a quick break right here and come back to learn more about the BGLC's new gaming management information system. Stay with us. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Get the Facts. We're talking about the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, BGLC's new gaming management information system. We're talking with Mr. Dwayne Waters, Project Manager at the BGLC. So you mentioned some ways in which complaints can be made. Let's talk a little bit more about other ways that reports can be made about illegal gaming activities.
Sure. So the traditional channel still exists. Persons can walk into the office at 78 CEF Hagley Park Road to make those complaints, or call the office lines directly, or send an email via info@bglc.gov.jm. And last but not least, they can get in touch with Crime Stop.
Mm-hmm. So if the general public wants to know more about gaming establishment and gaming machines and how legitimate they are, how can you perhaps share some more information in terms of this new management information system?
Again, one of the hallmarks of this new information system, once we do a full system rollout within the establishments, they will have placard on their walls as part of the conditions to license. They will have to display information pertaining to the establishment and the machines that are within the establishment. Customers will have, or punters will have, access to these signs.
So, Mr. Walters, let's look at their specific places or specific areas within the establishment where they are supposed to be
It should be
placed.
visible to the punters, and once visibility is established, bad word, but it should be visible to the punters, then they can scan these QR codes to get information about the establishment and or the gaming machines within the premises.
Yes. So with this new system, does it impact the turnaround time? Does it, in terms of license renewal, and how much will this impact cost to the customers?
That's a great question. The hallmark of any information system is to increase efficiency. And a part of increasing efficiency is having improved turnaround times for the licensing process and the renewal process. In terms of cost, there will be no additional costs to our customers and the public. But what I should note is that there will be some savings in terms of time and human resource efficiency for both the licensees and the BGLC.
Mm-hmm. And talking about BGLC enforcement work, how does this system impact that?
Great question. How this will impact? The system will facilitate the tracking of breaches against the BGLA. This will allow for targeted inspections and enforcement activities as a result of these activities that are being tracked.
Yes. We could continue this conversation and all day, but what are the parting words that you would like to leave with our viewers about this new information system, this management information system, and anything else that they are to expect?
Well, parting words, I would say it is a pivotal milestone in terms of modernizing the operations of the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission, and also improving the service delivery to our stakeholders, both internally and externally.
I'm sure everybody's looking forward to this new gaming management information system and all the benefits that will derive from it. Well, on that note, our conversation ends for today. I'm sure we are leaving you much more enlightened about the BGLC and its regulatory services to ensure fair gaming. This has been Get the Facts. Our guest was Mr. Dwayne Waters, Project Manager at the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission. For more information on the BGLC, visit their website, bglc.gov.jm. Until next time, I'm Adrian Atkinson. Thank you so much for watching.